Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to convert normal photos into vintage-looking ones in Canva. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step that you want to do is to open the Canva application on your device. Then import the photo which you want to edit. I have this cool photo. When you import the photo, we first need to apply the black and white filter. So select the photo. Then you want to tap on the Adjust button. It will open a couple of sliders. You want to drag the saturation slider all the way to the left side of the screen. Now our photo will lose all of its color, and it will have the sold look to it. You can also adjust other values and set the look and feel to your liking. You can play with the contrast, brightness, blur, and other values that Canva has in here. When you finish, click on this X button so we can continue to the next step. The next step is to click on the plus button and then go to the Elements section. You want to search for an element that's called plastic wrap. Go to the Graphics section and find a plastic wrap element that you prefer. And keep in mind that most of these are in the Pro version, so if you don't have the Pro version of Canvas, simply start a free trial, and you will be able to get these Canva offers of 14-day free trial for its Pro version. You can cancel it if you don't want to pay for it after the 2-week period, so when you get the Pro version, select the plastic wrap. We'll apply it over our whole photo. This looks pretty cool, but we want to find the transparency button. And then set the slider to around 30 to 60 or 70. This will lower the transparency of our plastic wrap, and it will look much more realistic and vintage. When you complete all of these steps, you can share your photo on Instagram or TikTok or wherever you want. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.